how to fix the YouTube no sound issue on iPhone. Is your YouTube video playing without sound on iPhone? Let's solve it in a few steps. First, flip your mute switch and raise your volume using your side buttons. This resolves 90% of sound issues. It's that simple. Check if your iPhone is connected to Bluetooth headphones. If yes, disconnect them. Open Safari or Apple Music. If sound works there but not on YouTube, reinstall the YouTube app. And just like that, your sound should be back. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.